Hey guys!
Welcome back to another show.
We covered over 6,000 kilometers exploring the Belle Province. We visited cities such as Montreal, Quebec City, Saguenay, Tadoussac, just to name a few. And you're about to embark on a fun journey with us.
There are shortage of car rentals everywhere, and we were lucky enough to find a 2021 Dodge Durango. It was a pretty comfortable ride. The cost for 2 weeks was $2,200, and we spent $800 in gas for the whole trip.
Alright, our first stop is Montreal. Alright, so we've been on the road for the last 4 hours. I only stopped once to pump gas. So I am about 40 kilometers away from Cornwall, Ontario. So to Montreal, I would say we have just under 2 hours. We're gonna do a quick stop, grab something to munch on. I don't even feel hungry right now, so the kids are fine. My son drove us nuts for a while. Now he's at the back chilling. My daughter, who was sitting at the far back, literally was junking on the whole trip and the whole 4 hours. We bought stuff to munch on for the next 6-7 days, but looks like she opened at least every single one of the packages and tried something. So fun trip. Let's see how it goes. Just grabbed a coffee and some Timbits and ready to hit the road back, and look what my kids are up to.
Within about an hour of driving, we finally reached our hotel in downtown Montreal.
Alright, we said 4 adults and 2 kids, but he has to see the ID. But before that, we're gonna have to park this car.
We parked our car underground and made our way up to our room.
Walk into our hotel room. What's the name of this hotel? Hey, there's even a nice kitchenette and 2 bed. And on this side, you have like a small office. Okay, you guys can come in now.
We weren't too impressed with this hotel. Total charge for the night was $242, including parking.
We relaxed for a little bit, and our first stop for the day was Oratoire Saint-Joseph.
To our surprise, it was quite busy. The church is undergoing some major renovations, and the usual accesses are closed. There are signs indicating how to reach the only entrance that is open.
Can you put your mask on?
My mask is already on. Are we gonna go run on? We spent about an hour and went back to downtown for some sightseeing. We spent the better part of the evening walking around Old Montreal. Enjoyed the view. Full walking tour will be uploaded later, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Oh, if you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. This is it for us today. We're off to Quebec City tomorrow.
Alright guys, so day 2, it's about 8:30 in the morning. Just getting ready to drive to Quebec. Just stop by so that we can grab some coffee. Look behind me, it's beautiful. It's a sunny day. Yesterday was it didn't rain, but it was a little cloudy and not nice. So today is a beautiful day here in Montreal. So we'll see how our drive to Quebec is.
The drive to Quebec is about 3 hours and it is not all that exciting. Once you enter Quebec City, the view will amaze you. Our plan is to explore Quebec City before we check into our Airbnb cottage. We will spend the next 3 days sightseeing in and around Quebec City. Enjoy the walk tour, and we really hope that you will join us again next week